How to redeem bonus code in bc.game. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you two specific ways for you to be able to redeem bonus codes in bc.game. So the first method of doing it, if you haven't created an account, all you have to do is to hit on the sign up option. And then on the next page, just simply input your email or phone number and as well as your password. And then if you drop down into those options, you will be asked if you have a referral promo code. Input it there and make sure that it is going to be correct, or if it is capitalized, then you should follow it. Now hit on sign up and it will automatically be redeemed into your bc.game account. The other thing that you can do is to go back and hit on sign in, and once you logged in, all you have to do is to go into bonus, and then in there at the upper right you should be able to see redeem your bonus code below. Input your code once again and hit on redeem. And that's it. That's how you redeem bonus code in bc.game.